Hello dear parents, my name is Igor. Today I want to show you how the program of KidLogger PRO, starting with version 1.6.112, may be controlled from another application. If you open the download page of KidLogger PRO for Android, you can see this new link, Remote Control Application for KidLogger PRO. In addition, we have an article in our blog. This is a remote control program for parents. Here we have a link where you can download it. And here is also a barcode for this. The program is available for everybody, not only for professional users. For example, this phone will be a phone of parents. We run barcode scanner, scan this code, and get a link to download the program. Open the file manager, find this file and unzip it into the same folder. And see the KidLogger remote control application set version. Let's install the program. It uses hidden SMS messages to remote control the program of KidLogger PRO, installed on other phone. First thing that we can see is the configuration button. The other commands are: what's happening on the child's phone? It means what application is currently launched. Get coordinate. It means to take the current coordinate of the child phone. Call back now. It is a request to call back from child's phone. Start sound recording. It means start recording surrounding sounds. Take a screenshot and get the configuration from the server. The first thing we need to do is to configure the program, because the program initially doesn't know what is the child's phone number and what is our own phone number. Enter the child's phone number, specify the device ID. It is the child's device identifier. We have to see what device ID is in our dashboard. Earlier, it was necessary to write an SMS with this identifier to the child's phone. And, as a response to this SMS, the KidLogger program of the child's phone answered something. And these SMS were not hidden, but now all SMS will be hidden. Next, you have to input our own phone number. Now, we can click Test Connection. If we did something wrong, then we will receive a message that we have missed something. If we did everything right, then there will be a message that the connection is established. Here is a message that we incorrectly wrote the device ID. Now we will input it again. There is a message that we did everything right. As we can see in the list of SMS, there are no messages. There are no messages in the child's phone too. Let's go on. Now we want to know what's happening with the child's phone. We press this button. What's going on? And soon we'll see another SMS message with the name of the application which is currently active. We need to wait a while. came a message that the active application is Messages. Really, on the child's phone was active the application that deserves SMS messages. Let's click Get Coordinate. We ordered to take the current coordinate of the child's phone because we want to know where our child actually is. The SMS was sent, and the actual coordinate will be sent back. Here it finally came. We should click the link, it opens Google Maps, and our second phone is here. Really, we are right here. The next button is Call Back Now. If we want to hear what is really happening now around the child's phone, then we should click it, and now the child's phone will perform a callback. However, it can call only if the phone is in sleeping mode. But if the phone is active, it will inform us that the call is impossible because the phone is busy. Let's really turn it in hibernation, and now we will try to repeat this command. Call back now. Wait a while. And now our phone is ringing. We can listen what's going on there. Of course, this call will be recorded. But much more important, that we can hear right now what's going on around the phone. The next, start sound recording. It is a command to record ambient sound. And the surround sound recording has started on target phone. Here is a message that the recording of ambient sound on target phone has begun. Now we will not hear it, but we will hear it later, when it is uploaded onto the server. And already from the server, we can either listen or download it. Make a screenshot and send it to the server. Why do we need it? If we suppose that the child is watching something interesting just now, then at this moment we can force the child's phone to take a screenshot. For example, we can run something on child's phone. Let's launch YouTube, and let's imagine that our child is watching the YouTube. And from the parent phone, we click Take a screenshot. The SMS has been sent. In the top, there is a notification that a screenshot has been taken. Of course, the child may notice it, but the icon disappears very quickly. Therefore, I think it will not discompose him. Now we can see if there is a screenshot or not. Let's launch File Manager. We can look into the storage where the screenshots usually are, and as you can see, the screenshot was obtained. Soon it will be sent to the server. The next button is to get configuration from the server. If we change the configuration on the server, we can apply it right now. So let's change some settings for this Samsung phone. The most interesting thing is a password for the program. We should save the settings. Now, on this phone, we give the command to other phone to read this configuration right now. and you can see that the configuration was obtained. It means the child's phone has sent back an SMS that it successfully received the configuration. Here is the baby's phone. Let's check if the old configuration is working. Let's try the old password to run the program. It doesn't work anymore. Then let's check the new one. As we can see, the new password is working. Well, it was a program to manage KidLogger PRO via SMS. We need it in case when our child has no internet connection. And it allows us, for example, to find him in the city. Dear parents, it is very interesting to me. What would you like to add to this program? To manage the program of KidLogger PRO more effectively and not to worry about our children. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.